Yo, what is good, y'all? I am back once again. Back from the. I'm just gonna hop into first. I'm not sure where this account is at actually. Is that like. Yeah, okay, I'm fine. We're at 1600s, so real players. Anyway, I was gonna say, some of the videos are doing kind of well. Over 100 views consistently on the last few ones, so I think I'm gonna try posting every other day. Seems pretty manageable. Alright, so for game one, we got the Sun matchup. I just gotta keep up the God momentum. He can lead. The Wake is gonna be a threat, so I'm probably gonna want rocks up pretty soon. And yeah, for the Thundurus set I'm running, it's just Life Orb Modest Agility, 3 attack. I've seen sets with Nasty Plot, but I feel like Nasty Plot is so overkill. This thing hits so hard. It's really weak to priority though. So that's the only thing. Okay. I'm gonna lead Treads. Just see what he goes for. Yeah, Walking Wake. I figured Walking Wake. Yeah, he can hit the Specs move for pretty free. How much are we thinking Arch takes? Arch takes 70 to a Draco. If he wants to Draco, so be it. Okay, this is fine. Do you try to block the Volt there, I guess? I could just raw Draco here, honestly, but I kind of want to keep HP on this. I think I'm going to go right back into Treads. He could EQ here, but it won't do much. I gotta think, right? He can EQ here, or we can Earth Power for some chip, but I kind of like just getting rocks up. He can spin here. Okay. Do I need my Terra for anything else? Shit. I'm just gonna get chip on you then. I think he's gonna knock again. Or, oh, okay, so he does have CC. That is good to know. He's a jetpack too. Arch. Can I Terra Fairy the Arch? The only thing I'm afraid of is Booster Moth. Let me think. I don't think Terra Fairy is the worst play. I'm actually really fine with that. Okay, or he just does that. He can... Shit, that put him in range of body press too, which is really annoying. Yeah, that's pretty bad for us. But yeah, just been laddering. This is like a really good rain team. It just had a Raging Bolt, and I put Thundurus over it because yeah, Thundurus GOAT. But okay, he's pretty good. Kowtow here for pretty free. Nope. Chooses to. I could U-turn or. Okay, that's insane. I'm Jolly Low Kick, dude. Fuck you. Literally. He's bulky as shit, dude. I'm telling you. If he wants to Terra Fly and exhaust his Terra, then Arch just comes in and clicks Electro Shot. Literally Jolly Low Kick. Come on. But yeah. Okay, so he does switch out 34 into you. Close combat for him is very free. Okay, if he wants to knock me off, that's fine with me. I am going to click Dracorius Matorius. This shit might kill, dude. Wow, okay. That does not even come close to killing. I go right back into you, and then I U-turn on whatever the fuck I want. Well, those rocks are staying up. I'm gonna Draco again. Okay, he just stays in. That shit does... Okay, this guy's... Gotta close combat here. Yep. And we 2-co anything very easily. Wow, he's choking. This guy's choking on dicks, actually. We just sweep from here. I'm pretty sure even +1 Lilligan H, especially if he's running Solar Blade, does not do shit. Oh, it's triple axle. Okay. I'm gonna sack you. Oh, that's unlucky. I feel bad. That's really annoying. We just flip turn here. Because he exhausted Terra, right? No, he didn't. I'm gonna sucker here. Okay. You wanna do that shit, be my guest. Yeah, he is speed. Okay. So here's the thing though, does King Gambit live up? No, I don't. I need a low kick here. No, I have to sucker. Fuck me, that doesn't even kill? I gotta pray he's like 0-0 and that I crit, literally. This shit kills hella. Yeah, okay. I played that game awful, I can't even complain. I was choking. I should not have given up treads as easily as I did. Okay. This guy... Samu H brainless lead, that's what I'm saying. I'm thinking... Is Thundurus good in this matchup? He doesn't have a lot of priority. So actually it might unironically be... Yeah, wait. Thundurus literally 6-0s. Because at +2, we're hitting 602. Which is faster than the booster guy. Yeah, we 6-0 with this Thundurus set. I just need to chip the crown. That's it. Because his only priority is Raging Bolt. And Raging Bolt hits us for nothing. I am going to U-turn on the Ceaseless Edge. Thank you, my man. Do I want to give up HP on you? Or do I just go into Arch? You die to a Sucker Punch? No, I don't. Arch is not the greatest in this matchup anyway, so I don't mind losing you actually. Oh, I'm faster? What the fuck? Are you min speed? Oh, he's proto speed too. You made a mistake, good sir. That shit literally didn't even kill if I didn't Terra. That's crazy. I didn't even have to Terra there. What are you gonna do? You're gonna fucking Tachyon? Tachyon. Alright. He Tachyons? Here's the real question though. Actually no, that shit for sure does not kill. We're gonna flip turn. Because he's gonna go Raging Bolt here. Oh no, he just wants to sack this thing. That's cool with me. That is cool with me, my friend. That shit high rolled. Okay, no, that doesn't even kill. He just is selling. Okay, yeah. Barrascuda clicks flip turn 10 times. If he wants to bring in the boulder, I'm literally gonna kowtow. If you want to bring in this guy though, I'm still just gonna kowtow. Cause Thunderclap. Yep. Oh my god. And the beauty. The raw weather ball. Yeah, I don't care if you set up. You're just dead. Because we just go into Pelly and win. Yeah, okay. I've seen the sub shit before. Wait, I might have played this guy before. I just roost until you die. I can't let you get up a sub or you win. Because I don't even think... Yeah, U-turn's literally a roll to break sub. Yep. GG's, man. That was a pretty weird game. Was this Samu... I guess the Samurai was just like a bulky AV then. That's really weird. I'm so pissed about that Sun matchup. I played that like shit. Oh, we got like... Semi-Drag Mag plus Walking Wake Out of Rain. Plus... This is the matchup of all time. I'm unironically scared of that wake. I'm thinking we get rocks up immediately. Because he has no removal. And I actually don't. And Treads loses to everything on this team. Treads literally loses to everything. I just need rocks up. Yeah. Literally. I was thinking I could go Thunder over Thunderbolt on this guy. I can go Thunderbolt just because we're running, right? Dude, if Thundurus got Hurricane, literally God. I'm going into Archaladon. Okay, flip turn is fine. I think he's gonna get rocks up in my face. Thinking he's slick. If you want a Terra, that's an awful play. Holy fuck. Sash? Okay. Should we Terra you though? That's what I'm thinking. Is Terra-ing you a bad play? Because late game King Gambit Terra also looks... Yo, you're some dog shit, actually. Oh. Why am I not at all shocked that that was move clicked? Something tells me he's literally 6 sashes, so I'm gonna flip turn into this and get rocks up. Shit, the eject button's kind of cucking me, I can't even lie. I literally think he's 6 focus sashes. If he's running a sash guard shot, I know this type of player. I was this type of player. Playing National Dex AG 2 years ago. No more. Okay, we're getting rocks up in your face. Oh, whoops. Unless you're Scarf, but I don't care. Worth as fuck. That was worth as fuck. Wait, how the fuck did that do so much? Is he, Oh, offensive is like a rule to kill. Like a very high rule, but it is a rule to kill. I think we click the funny move. If this guy's also sash, I'll blow my brains out. Okay, Terra Flying Stone Edge. What was he cooking? Only God knows. I'm gonna go right back in and sack treads. Oh? We don't even need to sack it. Watch this God play. Terra... Oh, okay, fuck. That was not great. Yeah, I gotta keep my reign. What is he, U-turn last? I need this treads to go. Yeah, I'll just flip turn here. The leftovers Terra Blast Landorus. Is he SD? I wonder. I wonder. On flash cannoning, I think you're gonna go into Namorous. Oh no, you just choose a Draco. This looks like the world's freest SD with Mr. Gambito. If you stay in, I will sword stance 10 times. Just in case he's dark, dude. Fuck this guy. I'm gonna Terra. Yeah, I fucking knew it. It's some offensive balloon bullshit. I'm pretty sure Enamorous just dies to this, by the way. Yeah, Enamorous does die to a Sucker Punch from here. What are you, Bandit E-Speed? Because if he is, we're fucked. I got a roost here. Oh my god. I think that might be Bandit E-Speed. It literally is. Okay, this might be like the worst played game of all time, but I might have just lost this, I can't lie. It comes down to a roll. Is it a roll? Fuck me, man. No, it's not. Wow, I just lost that. I'm gonna kill myself. I should... What did I do wrong there, even? Was tearing? I think tearing was not the... Oh my god. I got another game my pace. Jesus Christ. I swear to God, when I record, I won't ladder up. I'll just stay the same. I'll like lose 2 games and I'll win one. When I play alone, I'll play fine. I'll play in 17, 18's fine. But when I'm recording, I'm some dog shit. I feel like this could be a Scarf Rotom, man. But I'm not respecting you. And you could very easily go Hat. What that Snorlax do, though? Yeah, that's what I thought. Hat comes out. Arch blows its ass up. Or I just Draco on some G shit. But I'm not like that. If Arch got Volt Switch, which it should, I feel like it should, like canonically. How the fuck does Cobalion get Volt Switch, but this thing doesn't? Oh my god. I literally called it too, man. Into T-Wave. I'm actually terrified of you T-Waving me. Yeah, Wisp is fine. Wisp is fine. I want these rocks up. Yeah. Fine with me, man. If you want to take that trade, be my guest, good sir. Now we go into the Volt Absorbmon. Oh, I do not know your game, good sir. That was extremely disrespectful. I should not have done that. This shit might just kill, depending on the set. No, then he is max HP. Six turns, 6 Pokemans. Rocks are up. Who do you want to give me first? Your pick. You get to choose. I don't care. How far has my rank fallen? I was like... Oh, Lord. I think I started... This account was at 17s, and then it decayed hella. And then now it's just some dog shit. That's great. Oh, fuck me. Well, the music going? Yeah, the music's going. All right, my child. Choose which one you want to go. Something's leaving us. Something is leaving this earth. So you gotta choose, my guy. You have to choose. Also, if somebody watches this, I played some tournament games for this $250 tournament, and I'm in... I don't know if it's finals or right before semifinals. There's only 6 people left, so I don't know how they're going to work that out. It's like a $250 tournament for Team Canada. So let me know if y'all want to watch that. I'm actually terrified of this thing, so I'm going to go Arch, because I feel like I'm feeling defensive Terra. What the fuck? I'm going to Electro Shot, actually. I'm going to disrespect this Snorlax. It's the fucking Snorlax. What are you going to do? Body Slam? Earthquake? Earthquake doesn't even 2-ko. I do come back in with Barrascuda after setting a brain and click the move 6 times now, though. Like, for sure. Like, he just locked that in. The Terra Grass Lax is kind of crazy. I can't lie. I can't lie. We gotta get plus 2-ish to kill this guy. This guy's thinking long and hard about what to click. What's insane is I think if we stayed in, we would have 2-ko'd. The guy's letting it run right down to the timer. I think I'm gonna stop playing after this game. Leave it a little shorter. The recording. I'm gonna be fucking Focus Blast, dude. Suck my balls. Okay, I did suck your balls, but not in the way I intended. Ooh, baby. We are flipping right out of here. That poison is actually not great. If he goes into Weavile, I gotta go right into Gambit, like hard. If he low kicks, he's God. Hello, Kingston 9629. Oh my god, dude, I'm so fucked for this physics test, man. If anyone in the comments is just a physics god, oh my god, hit this raw. My fucking goat. My fucking goat. Yeah, dude. SD to +6. I don't care. Yeah, suck my nuts. No, I'm joking. GG, bro. That was a gate kept from 1600s. That's right, bitch. We gatekeep in mid-ladder. Alright, I'm thinking that's a good place to end it off. Yeah, gonna aim for uploads every other day now. So, whether they're timed or not, I don't know. I'll probably just upload every other day. Maybe I'll do an actual schedule if I get more than 10 subs. But yeah, peace.